Use the approved poses if you want to be a memer. Peace sign, bunny ears, fake wiener.
How the hell are ya, fucking weird-looking mongoloids? Galactic criminal here. I don't even know why I say that shit. As if I could give a fuck how they are. Someone, somewhere, yesterday, I can't fucking remember, reminded me of this group, Make Them Suffer. So I checked back in with them. Turns out they've come out with a new album since I last heard them. Some sick fucking metalcore from Australia. Now, from what I recall, they had this smooth type vibe to their songwriting. There was something about it I really enjoyed. So we're gonna check out one of the newer songs, Make Them Suffer. Fireworks with a 1, 2. Alright, they had the piano in there too. Keyboard. Ha 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 ha! That opening riff was sick! Something almost theatrical about their songwriting, man. Might be a new album I'll have to get. so good. Oh man. That backup vocal is solid. No! Oh, that was so good. I mean, I feel like there's so much to say here. Honestly, I think the standout thing that I am recalling now hearing in the other track, there's Ether that I checked out a while back. That backup vocal with the female singer. I heard something about a female being in the group before. I think that's something I mentioned in the other video. But then I think I came to the conclusion that it was possibly like keyboard or some shit like that. But no, there she was, and it was wow. That fucking the backup vocal melody, and obviously being like the more soothing sound of the female vocal, just resonated with me, man. Like, the harmony of it, just wow, so well written. And just like, and the way that they opened it, man, kind of just building up to the beginning, really, of the song. A lot of bands just jump right into it, and that's fine. That can work very often. But this time around, I don't know. It feels like everything fit. It's like I was kind of saying before. There's something. It just seems so very purposeful in their songwriting. Like the opening riff. The opening riff, it felt unnatural. I don't even know how to describe. It felt unnatural, like it wasn't supposed to happen, but it fit as well. And the thing that is like a make or break for me, for any fucking band, any kind of fucking rock band, punk, metal, what have you, the make or break for me is absolutely the vocal, and this guy just fucking has a good one. I'm telling you, that cadence of scream for metalcore just sits so well with me. I think Architects has a very similar vibe. And then again, like I said, that backup vocal, just the way that it harmonizes and contrasts with like the heavier style scream, it's such an interesting sound to me. And I would be remiss if I did not at least mention she's hot as fuck. You were thinking it. Just something about a song like this that has so much gravitas. Fucking just an emotion to it. You can feel the emotion and the passion behind it. Now, obviously, seeing them kind of playing or whatever as well, that builds to that. But it was so engaging. Again, like I said, with the video as well. But the song itself is just so captivating and interesting. And then again, like I've said many a time, having a range to that metalcore scream, being able to do that higher register, but then also just fucking dropping it down to that guttural shit, and also using that deeper vocal at very pinnacle moments. Just, such a huge selling point for me. The rhythm, the cadence, the melody, everything just meshed so fucking well. And honestly, I haven't gotten myself a metalcore album in a little while. Might have to treat myself to this one. Yeah, man, I loved the fuck out of this track. that song, that video put together, they created some awesome. So hey, what do you think of this track? Are you gonna get the album too? You fucking better. Let me know in the comments below. Of course, there will be a link for this video in the description, so you can go ahead and watch it for yourself. Full screen audio and get the full experience. And as always, have yourself a fantastic evening.